Morning everyone, how are you? Oh, I'm so excited today. It's a really special day. It's Pin Mail Monday and it's also Magic Mail Monday. So we're doing it all in one. So join me the other side of the intro and let's see what wonderful things I've had this week. Hit it, maestro. My pin mail, or do I start with my magic mail? I'm going to start with my magic mail. So I'll put my glasses on. Now these aren't new glasses, these are some old ones. My other two pairs have gone in and I've had new lenses put in, but I've also ordered a brand new pair of glasses. And those glasses have got like, well, they're meant to be like a matte lens so that hopefully you can see my eyes better. So that's the plan. I've got to wait for them yet, so yes, I very much hope so. So, you ready? I've had a wonderful card and I've not opened it yet. And this is of Sarah. So let's open it and see what it says. Oh, she sent me a thank you note. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, that's lovely. It's got to Karen. Thank you so much for my beautiful presents. I love them. Thank you for your videos too. I really enjoy watching them. Lots of love, Sarah, Bailey and Adien. I've probably not pronounced that right. Forgive me. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a photo in here of Sarah and her dog Bailey. And yeah, I sent her a few little things because she watches me and yeah, I just wanted to send her some things. So thank you, Sarah. That means a lot to me. I'm going to put that on my, oh, what do you call it? By your TV. It's my mantelpiece because I've got like a whole unit where the TV is. So it's going to stand next to my TV in the living room. So that's beautiful. You know the dogs? They don't give me a minute, do they? And this, the reason I've waited till now is, you know, if I open something, I forget to put it on camera. So I wanted to open this. So yeah, that means a lot. So thank you, Sarah. And give Bailey a big hug off me too. So then, what else have I had? Right, so I've had this sent off my wonderful friend Beth. So if you don't know Beth Leung, her channel, I'll link it down below. She's got a YouTube channel, but she also does park pickups. So she's got a Facebook group. So go along and follow her. And if there's anything you want from the parks, she'll get them for you. So that might mean I might place a little order, mightn't it? Just a little order. And I'd forgot there was more than one thing inside here. Yay! Now I thought it was just this one thing I had sent. Yeah, I've had the Arundel blue spirit jersey so I can wear it now. And on the back it's got the lovely silver bling writing. And it's got, in the material, I don't know if it'll come up on camera, but there's, oh, there you go. It's got all the tinsel in it, like the sparkly bit. So I love that. So thank you, Beth. Yay! And she also got me a couple of pins. Right. So the first one she got me, and this is for my pop-up books collection. And that is Mulan. And when you open it inside, you've got Mulan and Mushu. Isn't that fab? And then the outside. So I think I only need 3 more to finish the year's set. I've got all the others, so thrilled with that. And then the other one that she sent me was the third one of the Alice collection. And it's the little dormouse in the teacup. And I believe he moves. Take him out of the packet, Karen, and then we can see if he moves. Yay! Look, he moves. Like the teacup. So I've got the other two. So it's just this one at the top I think we need now. And that's going to be the Queen of Hearts from the outline. You can tell that. Then I also had a box of goodies come via my mailing shipping service from America. Now, I'm not going to advertise them because I've had another issue, and the pins that they sent me, I always ask them to send them in their original packaging because then the bubble wrap envelopes stop them getting bashed around in the box. Yeah, they've sent the extra packaging, but what they've done is they put the envelopes in and they put the pins in separately. So the pins aren't in the envelopes. I'm obviously someone who they think is very weird and collects padded envelopes used for packaging. So I've really had enough now. So I've got a couple more things going to the box and then I give up. If I want to spend $8 or $8.50, I think it is, every time I get a parcel shipped to me and put a note on saying, make sure this, make sure that, then that's fine. But I'm not paying that. It should be common sense that when you say for something to be packed, it's packed as it's received. Nothing special, and I'm sure that all the pins I ordered were packed inside the envelopes, not the outside. So I rest my case. I'm sure I'm not just weird. I know I'm weird, but you know, I'm not really weird on this one. So yeah, I've had enough. So I'm going to end that, yeah, imminently. So, but in my box, I did have some, and thankfully they weren't ruined. And I managed to get my hands on 2 of the 50th anniversary Haunted Mansion pins. And she did have some more. So the lady, I'll put a link down below. And so you can go and check her out if there's any you wanted. But I'm thrilled with this. I never thought I'd get this. And the irony is, James, my wonderful friend at Palz, he offered to pick these up for me from the event on the day at cost. And what did I do? I said, no, thank you, because I didn't think I wanted them. But look, the spinning, and that's fabulous. And the Haunted Mansion ride is actually one of our favourite rides in the parks. We just absolutely love it. So that's so significant. And then the other pin I just had to get was the Doom Buggy, because it's our favourite ride. So you've got the 3 hitchhiking ghosts behind there in the Doom Buggy, so I had to get that. But those, along with the pin that James sent me, which is on another haul video, those are all the ones I'm getting of that. But yeah, I just thought that was so iconic. Then I've been watching everybody's videos. So Emily, I watched yours, and she had all the pins from D23, and obviously I wasn't at D23 because it was in California, and it's every 2 years. Yeah, now there was a couple of pins that I wanted, and I'm just thinking then, and they're actually upstairs. I've got some other ones upstairs in my pin box, mailbox. So I've got some other up pins to show you, but there was one other up pin I hadn't bought, and I was like, do I, don't I, do I, don't I? And you know when you're watching everyone's videos and you're like, is it just me who's got a shopping addiction? No, it can't be, it can't be. And this one is a limited edition of 300. And even though he's a baddie, I had to get Charles. So there's Charles, and it's a pin on pin, as you can see. But I just thought that was so beautiful, and it's a limited edition, and I like the limited edition pins. So that will look lovely on my up pin board. And I promise that as soon as I put time to get it all up and running, because at the moment all my up pins are in a box ready to go on my board, my empty board upstairs. As soon as I've actually put it all together, then I'll show you everything. Yeah, I think I might need another board. Yeah, I might be asking the lovely Graham crafters to craft me a board, but I might need it the size of a wall. Watching this, she's going, really? But anyway, I digress. And for anyone who doesn't know who Graham Crafters are, they gifted me this. I've got a Minnie Mouse board off them, and they've gifted me this one, and it's the ice cream bar, isn't it, with the bit cut out. And look, and on the big ones, it's got a thing, what they call it, a hook, you can put them all, and they are absolutely wonderful. I love these pin boards, and especially for YouTube, it's great because I can get it straight into focus without worrying about everything that's going on in my Halloween background. So even though I'm in food and wine attire today, so yeah, so there's that one. Then I ordered this one, and I think I got this one bad, isn't it, when I forget where I had it from. I think this was off Weekend Pin Deals. And it's a limited edition pin. Again, I'm just getting it off the back. It's a bit tight. And it's a limited edition of 300. Now, this is an old one because it's on the old waffling. And it's a Small World, and it's Pinocchio. And I think that's, I don't know if that's Japanese or Chinese writing down below. So I was able to find that. I do go on Disney Weekend Pin Deals most weekends, but I'm trying to be good. Oh, well, it's not really working at the minute, but I'm trying to be good because there is so many pins you can keep buying. And I'm buying something else at the moment. So yeah, you'll have to watch out for that big announcement, because there's an announcement coming in a couple of weeks, and yeah, super excited. So at the moment, I'm not buying quite as many pins. Well, I don't think I am. So I move on. I saw this one as soon as I saw this one on Emily's channel, and I'll link her down below. She's fabulous. I was like, yeah. I collect, don't I, up Small Worlds and Walt Disney because I think it's amazing. And I saw this one, and it's just everything, isn't it? It's a castle, it's Walt, and he's holding Mickey's hand. And these, it wasn't cheap. It went for a bomb, actually. There was a good $30 price mark upon them, but you know, when you see it and it's like, that is what the pin collection is. So this one is a limited edition of, does it say? It's a limited edition of 1,000, but I mean, just look at it. How wonderful is that? Just really, really beautiful. And then Emily was very naughty and she had some jumbo, so you know where this is going, don't you? But look, Mickey in the Tiki Room with his Dole Whip, and it's rubberized, and it's a limited edition of 300. And it's a big jumbo. And to me, what this says, it says Trader Sam's, and it's somewhere we love to go. It's one of Phil's favourite bars on property. Whoops, I'm dropping the backs on the floor. And so this actually meant Phil to me in many ways. And on the back, it's a big, I mean, it's huge. It's a big pin on pin. It's got D23 on there. And let's put it on my pin board to show you. Isn't that wonderful? And you've got the rubberized element. I don't know if you can see with me turning. It's just beautiful. So that's going to go on my Walt Disney pin board. And that signifies Phil and my love of Dole Whip and Mickey, and just, yeah, very special times. Then on eBay, I entered bidding for this item, and I thought, I'm never going to get it, because it actually was, no, okay, it was $49.99, and I'm sure I paid $29.99 or $28 for this. Oh, I can't believe that. I can't believe that. If it's different, I'll put it down below, but I'm sure it was. And I've got the tandem bike with the 4 of them on. And it's actually a limited edition of 500. No. I got it cheaper than cost. No, but just no one was buying it. I think sometimes the pins, when you see them at the events, you think they're more special than, and people don't want them. But look, this little Pluto, he moves up and down. And the wheels move. Isn't that fabulous? I can't believe I got it cheaper than actual box price. So, wow, I think that's actually the first bargain I've ever got. And then the last one I got, I saw this on Ryan's channel, Disney Pins blog. I'm sure you all follow Ryan. And he had this, and it's a limited edition of 500. And I'm really into all the jumbo pins. And look at that, Mickey and Minnie kissing with balloons. So that was just me. So that was just me and Phil, wasn't it? That's what that one meant to me. And look at that. And the glitter in the balloons. And that just reminded me of when he bought me my first balloon on my birthday. And yeah, I think that's very special. So, yeah. I've been naughty. I need Pin Anonymous. But I've got to slow down now because I've got a project coming, and you'll love it, I hope. So thanks everyone, I hope you've enjoyed this. If you haven't already, please click the subscribe link that's coming at the end of the video and the notification bell, then you'll know as and when I upload videos and if you'd like to watch them. But yeah, I do that because I like to be kept in the loop. But thanks so much for watching. Be good, be kind, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you really soon. Bye for now everyone, bye.